If we want to know the present working directory, there is a command called pwd, which stands for present working directory. This will show for us the present working directory. Let's press enter now. You see, it shows us the whole path. And this is the directory. Kali is the current working directory, the last one. And of course, we know that we are in Kali because of this one. We didn't move to any other directory, as if we just type here and open terminal here, we are in desktop here. If we just open pwd, it shows that we are in desktop, and this is the tilde sign Kali here, because this is the default folder for this user, for Kali in here. And of course, you see here home and the whole path. Let me just open up this folder. I want to show you something. The directory is a folder, and a folder is a directory. So we see here the whole path, home, Kali, and here all of these are folders or directories. If we just went here, music, and you see home, Kali, music, and this part is the same as pwd command result. See here, pwd, here is the result. It's gonna be the same. If I open here, open terminal here, see, and I type pwd, is exactly the same. This works the same. pwd is this one, home, Kali, music, home, Kali, music. So this pwd, present working directory. And we know that we logged in as a standard user, so that's why it's $sign in here. If we logged in as a root user, this will be $sign, and this is the user name, and this is the group. Clear the screen by the clear command.